Welcome everybody to the 2021 school year. My name is Mr. Yord and I'm going to be your Algebra 2 teacher this year. A little bit about me. Last year I was a teacher at Bell Middle School, so I recognize some of you guys. I taught you geometry last year, but I made the jump to high school, which I've always wanted to teach. Been in middle school my whole career. Finally made the jump to high school, staying in Golden. Love this community, so really excited to start things off here. A little bit about me outside of school. My life is pretty much backcountry snowboarding. We go up until there's literally no snow left to find or ride. I like to bake. I kind of found that out over quarantine when we had a lot of extra time inside in our hands. So really like to bake and take those treats in the backcountry with me as a snack. I'm from Pittsburgh, born and raised. So I love all my Pittsburgh sports teams, especially my Steelers. Yeah. And I'm also one of the tennis coaches for our boys' high school tennis team. So materials you're going to need for this class this year. We're going to need a 3-ring binder, along that some line and graph paper. We'll need pencils, more of a pencil guy than a pen guy, just because in math we're going to be making a lot of mistakes. Well, hopefully not, but if you make mistakes, we're going to need to be erasing them. Graphing calculator, we're going to need a TI-83 or higher for those. TI is preferred just because it's what's recommended and compatible for the SATs, which you guys will be taking this year. So if you have that, that's wonderful. A laptop, whether it's a Chromebook, a Mac, we're going to need some sort of device, just because we're going to be doing a lot of, video conferencing like this, and it's just going to be another way for you guys to collaborate with students because we kind of have to keep our distance this year. A ruler, as well as some whiteboard markers. Our grading, you're going to be earning your grade through assignments, so classwork and homework. That'll be 15%. Evaluations is broken up into 2 sections. The first is tests and in-class assessments. It's 35%. Another 35% for evaluations is coming from warm-ups, quizzes, and presentations. And the last 15% will be from your final exam. We're going to get through 8 units this year, hopefully. You can read them here as well as see our timeline for them. We're going to follow this as closely as we can. Because you guys are an honors class, we're going to be going a little bit quicker. This is the regular Algebra 2 pacing guide. So we'll be going a little bit above, a little bit quicker, and diving a little bit deeper into each one of these units. Programs we're going to be using. Our class is going to be based out of Google Classroom, which I think most teachers are using. So check that regularly. That's where you're going to find your daily assignments, your Google Meet links, and everything that you'll need. On top of that, we have a lot of other programs that we're going to be using daily, or I should say weekly. Delta Math, Edulastic, Khan Academy, YouTube, because let's get real, we can YouTube anything, and there's a video for it. So utilize YouTube if you need to. Google Slides with some Pear Deck in there, Jamboard, and Edpuzzles. Best way to reach me is going to be through my email, which is my first and last name at jeffco.k12.co.us, the longest email ending there was. And I know this school year is not what we anticipated, and it's going to be different for sure. We just got to remember we're in this together, guys. Even though we might feel apart and we might actually be more physically apart 6 feet away, we're in this together. We're going to make the best of it, and it's going to be a great year, guys. So can't wait to see you guys in person and get this year started. All right, we'll see you later.